Today I'm going to show you how to create your life coaching website so you can start reaching new clients right away. I've already created an account and chosen this template in the sign up process, but we can also click Site, Reset Template to choose a new template. I'm going to choose this template again, but you can choose any of the templates that are here. You'll notice that this template is already populated with industry-specific content, and we can go ahead and change some of it to customize it for our practice. I'll start by changing the name of the website at the top. You'll notice that this is a button element, and we can click on it to change the text right on it. Choose Edit Text in the mini toolbar, and put your title in here. Just click off of it to save it. If you click on it again, you can also click More, and under Style, you can change some of the button styling or the font. You'll also notice that this element is highlighted in orange, meaning that it is global. That means you'll see this element on all of your site pages. When an element is outlined in dark blue, that would mean it only appears on the page that you're currently on. Now you might notice that most of your design is made up of different cards, which incorporate images, text, buttons, etc. Different cards serve different purposes. So this large hero section here is made out of a hero card. And to change the image on it, I'll just click right here. And in the mini toolbar, I'll click Manage Content. And now I'll click Replace Image. So you can upload your own images right here under My Images, but I'm going to use a stock image. Our stock image library is full of copyright-free images that are free for you to use. Make sure for this hero section you choose an image that is large enough resolution so your image will not be blurry or pixelated. I'll click Use Image, and then click Save. Next, if you want to change the text right here, just click on this card in the center, and click Manage Content again. And right here on the right, you can change the title, the caption, the button, or even what the button is linked to. So you might notice that this template is a one-pager website, and that means instead of multiple separate web pages for your content, you can scroll down and see all of your site sections. So I'll just show you what that looks like by going to the preview. And you'll notice that if you click on this menu here, it'll scroll down my site to the different content sections. So I'll just close that preview. And later on in this video, I'll show you how to add a new section to your one-pager site if you feel like you need to. Now I want to quickly show you how to add elements to your page. So you can go to the left side and click Add Elements, and you'll see many different types of elements that you can add. I'll just quickly add a testimonial card. So I'll click Cards, scroll down, and under Testimonials, I'll click More Designs, and I'll choose this one right here. So just click and drag it onto the page, and you'll notice this green line appears, which means once I let go, all of the elements underneath will jump down and maintain their layout. You can customize the card with your own content, so I'll just copy and paste a testimonial from a client into the text area right here. Just click Edit Caption and paste it. And on the button, I'll change that to the client's name. And I'll just click Save. Now that we've finished with the home page, let's go to another page. And again, because this is a one-pager, I can just scroll down, but with a design that has pages, you can manage your pages by clicking on the page drop-down on the top left right here. So feel free again to change some of the text right here and right here. And I'm going to go ahead and customize this services card. So I'll click on it, click Manage Content, and in the same way you can replace the images on each card. And on the right, you can customize their text and what they're linked to. I'm just going to go ahead and change the order of these cards. So you can just click and drag, and that will change their order. And then click Save. So I'll scroll down again. And I'm also going to change some of the icons on this services card. To change the style of each icon, you can just click on the card, and you'll see when you hover on the icon, you'll see this pencil icon appear. and we're going to change the image style. So you can change the icon color here, or the size, or even change the image itself by clicking Manage Content, but I'll go ahead and I'll change the icon color. And I'll click Save. Now we'll scroll down again to the FAQ section. So this FAQ section has been created with an FAQ card. You'll be happy to know that this FAQ card is pre-populated with questions and answers that are relevant to a life coaching website. But if you want to customize any of the questions and answers, just click on the element and click Manage Questions. So I'm going to go ahead and edit one of the questions by hovering on it and clicking on the pencil icon. And I'll just change the text right here. When you're done, just click Save this question. You can add a new question by clicking Add a Question here, and you can also add a category. So we'll just add a category by clicking this button and click off of it to create the category. And you'll notice that all of these questions have been automatically added to the category you've created. So if I want to create a new category, I'll just go ahead and click Add right here. And you can move your existing questions into different categories by hovering on the question, clicking on the setting icon, and click Move To. And here I'll move it to a different category. Once you're done with that, just click Done. Now moving on to the Helpful Forms section. You'll see that these cards are linked to downloadable PDF documents. To change the links, just click on the card and click Manage Content. For example, if I want to change the link on this card, I'll just click on it, and under Link To, I'll click that. And you'll notice that you can link this card to a web address, page, email, etc., but I'm going to keep it linked to a document, and I'll just choose Change Document. Next, I'm going to upload a document. You can upload document files like PDF, doc, RTF, etc. Once you've uploaded your document, make sure it's selected and then click Use Document. And then click Save. And I'll click Save again. Next, we'll just scroll past this testimonial, which you can customize the way that I just showed you earlier, and we'll go to the Contact Us section. So I'm going to want to add a Google map to this section beside the form. So the first thing I'm going to do is decrease the width of this form by clicking on it and clicking and dragging on the left side to make it smaller. Now I'm going to add my Google map. So I'll click Add Elements, and under Forms, Maps, I'll choose and click and drag my Google map. Now I'm going to edit the address by clicking on Edit Address in the mini toolbar. And in this field, I'll input the address. Just click off of it to save. To edit the content on your web form, just click on it and click Edit Form in the mini toolbar. For example, if I want to change the name field, I'll just click on that, and on the left, I can change different aspects of the field. So I'll just change the label. Backspace, type in your new field, and click Save Settings. And then I'll click Save. You can also customize your form settings by clicking on the form and clicking Form Settings. Just click through these tabs to set your security, confirmation, and notification settings. So now that we've gone through most of the sections of this site, if you want to add a new section to this one-pager, you can do that by adding an anchor element. So I'll be adding a resources section above my contact section. So first, I'll click on the anchor element for contact, and I'll click and drag on this drag handle to move all of the elements below it while maintaining their layout. So now that I've created space for my new section, I'm going to add an anchor element. So just go to Add Elements, and under Navigation, you can choose Anchor Element. I'll just move it to the top of the section. And then you'll click on the element and click Rename. Click off of it to save. So to this section, I'm going to add a list card. So we'll go back to Add Elements. Under Cards, I'll see More Designs for Services. And I'll click and drag this card to the section. So you can go ahead and customize this card with your own text and link your own resources that you want to provide for your clients. After you've done that, you want to add the resources section to your site menu. So to add this to your site menu, just click on the Pages drop-down right here and click Edit Site Menu. Next, click Add Link to Site Menu. So we want to choose to link this to an anchor, so I'll click that here. And on the home page, we'll find the resources anchor that we've just created. And then click Save. So if you scroll to the top, you'll see that now the resources anchor has been added to the menu. If you want to change the order of this link, just go back and just click and drag on these dots to move it where you want it to go. So now we've rearranged the order of the menu. So now it's time to add a blog to my site, and this time I'm going to add it as an entirely new page. So to do that, I'm going to go back to Edit the Site Pages, and I'm going to click Add Page. And here I'm going to click Blog. Give your blog a name, and then click Add. So you'll notice that the link to this page has already been added to the site menu. To add a new blog entry, just click on the blog button right here, and then click Add Entry. Lastly, we're going to go ahead and create a mobile version of the site. So first, we're going to go back to the home page, and then click on the mobile icon, which is right in the center top of the editor. So you'll see these helpful notifications, and I'll just click out of that. And the first thing I'm going to do is apply Smart Layout, which will resize all of the elements to fit within the mobile view. So now I'm just going to scroll through the mobile side and see if I need to make any adjustments of my own. To hide something from the mobile version, you simply need to drag the element out of the mobile view. When all of your mobile pages are ready, just click on the Page Manager and make sure all of the mobile versions are turned on. So I just turned on the mobile view for the blog page that I created. When your website and mobile version are all ready to go, you can publish your site by clicking Publish in the top right. Make sure all the pages you want to go live are selected, and then click Publish. So that's it for this video. We hope it was helpful, and we can't wait for you to start reaching new clients with your own website. Thanks for watching.